B.Sc Biology in Education is a 4-year program, and these are the required courses for 100 level first semester, although you have a lot of courses. You could drop one and you'll still be good. That's why you're seeing 20 of 22. Which means you could drop one course of 2 units and you're okay, you're still okay. Or if you register all of them and maybe by mistake fail one, you don't have to rewrite it. There's an advantage. But then you are not advised to fail any class. No, don't do that. Okay, the course registration fee is 2,000 each, except this should be 2,500. It's an error, so you'll be adding 500 here. 72,500 as the total fee. How did we calculate it? 2,000 is the course registration fee, 1,000 for exams. It's flat 1,000. Course registration fee is the fee for textbooks or course materials. So if you add the cost of course materials and the cost of exams together, you get these totals. And the amounts to 36,000. Okay, then the 100 level second semester, 36,000 plus 36,000. That's why you saw that 72,000. Okay, then here your compulsory fees is not going to be 36,000 anymore. It's going to be 18,000 from 100 level second semester onwards till you graduate. To be 18,000. To be 18,000. No longer 36. You pay 36 as the first compulsory fee, but from second semester onwards it becomes 18,000. Okay, these are your courses, and even if you fail one course here, you may not have to rewrite it. But you're not advised to fail because it will affect your CGPA. Okay, so you can see 3 unit course is 2,500. 1 unit and 2 is 2,000. That's the cost of the textbooks, the course materials. Add the cost of exams for each course. You get these totals: 33,500 plus 18,000 compulsory fee. You have 51,500 as your second semester school fees. 200 level school fees. Let's calculate it. You have these courses firstly, and out of these courses only 19 units is required, which means still you could fail one and not write it, but you are not allowed to. Your parents will not like that. Even you will not like that. Then if you came in through direct entry, this is when you have to add the GST 107. It's important. You pick GST 107 from 100 level and register. You include it to your own credit units, and you have 21 when others are having 19. You sum up the fees to amount to 31,000, and then add the 18,000 compulsory fee to it. You have 49,000 as your fee for the first semester 200 level. The second semester 200 level. These are your courses, and out of this, one course will still be excused for you. Yeah. And then you have this as your school fees, 48,500. For 300 level first semester, you have these courses, which includes a teaching practice of 3 years and 10,000 for the fee, the registration fee. But you do not register it for exam because it's not examinable. You don't sit for exams. It does not require exams. It's practical, more practicals. Okay, then you sum the fees up to 34,000 with compulsory fee of 18,000, which is the first thing you pay. Always, you have 52,000 as your fee, your school fee. And 300 level second semester, you have these courses to offer. And your fee is this one. This post-teaching practice is not examinable. That's why there is no fee here. You write your teaching practice experience and submit. That's it. Okay, then you have 41,000 as your school fees for 300 level second semester. For 400 level first semester, you have a second teaching practice, 10,000 again, and other courses included. And the total fee is 49,000 for 400 level first semester. You are expected to pass all of them. You have a very few courses for your final year here, including a research project of 4 units. 15,000 is the standard fee for project registration, but there is no fee for exams because it's more of practical, so you don't. It's not. There's no requirement for exams on projects anywhere. Okay, so you're expected to register all of this and pass them. If you had any carryovers left, you still have a lot of unused credit units here. A lot, like 9 of them or so. Would I say 9? 11. 11 unused credit units. So you can, out of 24, you have 13. So you can add more here if you have anyone left and clear them out. So although you have registered 176 credit unit courses, that's total credits carried, you are expected to pass 160 out of it. So even if you fail 16 unit courses here, you're likely going to be a graduate, especially if those courses does not include your projects and some other important courses there. Well, if you came into direct entry, 130 will do. That's us. And your final fee here is 45,000. That's your final fee, your last fee.